Ready to ditch the basic Coinbase and level up your crypto trading game? Today, we're diving into Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to show you how to navigate this powerful platform, even if you're a complete beginner. First things first, assuming you already have a Coinbase account, head over to Pro Coinbase command log in using your existing Coinbase credentials. It's that simple, as they are linked. Okay, you're in. The dashboard might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. On the left, you'll see your watch list and available trading pairs. These are all the different cryptocurrencies you can trade. Click on a pair, like BTC USD, to bring up its trading chart. Now, let's break down the core elements. This big area is the price chart, showing you the historical price movements. Below, you have the order book, displaying all the buy and sell orders at different price levels, and over here, you'll see the trade history, recent transactions that have taken place. To start trading, you'll need to deposit funds. Click the deposit button at the top. You can transfer crypto directly from your Coinbase account, instant and free, or deposit funds using a bank transfer, which takes a little longer. Time to place an order. The order form gives you different options. Market orders execute immediately at the current market price. Limit orders let you set a specific price you're willing to buy or sell at. And stop orders trigger a market order once the price reaches a specific level. Start with market orders. It's the easiest way to execute your first order. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Click place order, and boom, you've just made your first trade on Coinbase Pro. You can view your order status and trade history in the orders panel. To track your investments, head to the portfolio section to see your current holdings, balance, and overall performance. Withdrawing funds is just as straightforward. Click the withdraw button. Choose your withdrawal method, either back to your Coinbase account or to an external wallet. Enter the amount and confirm. Remember, crypto trading involves risk. Start small, don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any decisions.